Here I have a list of products, and you want to turn this list into a drop-down to make it easier to use. Here's how to do it. First, select the cell or range where you want to create the drop-down list. Then go to the Data tab and choose Data Validation. In the Allow section, select List, then click the arrow icon in the source field. Next, select the range of data you want to use, then press Enter. Then click OK to finish. Now the drop-down list has appeared with the values you selected. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel, and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.